In this video, I'll show you how to build this, and this. Enjoy. For the pine tree, you only have to cut the tree in different layers, like that. And how you do is just by sticking the grass pieces in the holes. And then you have your beautiful pine tree. For the oak tree, you need these bigger leaves and put the small ones all around. And there you go. How you build it is by split it in different layers, like the other one, like this. You can see my technique. And then you have your oak tree. Yeah, that's it. Then it's time for the big tree. How you build this tree is actually easy. All you have to do is build these small leaves and put these light green leaves, and yeah, that's it. And for the log of the tree, you need these pieces. How you build the log is by taking your pieces and building them like this. Then you have to repeat this method layer by layer, and then you have the log. Now you can put your brown plates or tiles if you want, and yeah, that's the technique. Hope you enjoyed, guys. If you like this video, I'll be making another tree video, so please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below which one is your favorite, and I'll see you next time. Bye.